Hey, my name's John Stevenson, the Guaranteed Retirement Guy. Today, we're going to be talking about how to not outlive your retirement savings, because there's a couple different options you have out there. So if you are looking to retire now, maybe you're already retired and you're worried about outliving your savings, with the stock market kind of going up and down, there are people that are nervous because if the market goes down and you have a bear market or you're in bear territory for too long, then a lot of people are worried about running out of savings because they're relying on their stocks, maybe their mutual funds to create a regular return over time. And of course, we all know that market downturns are inevitable. I mean, they're going to happen. But the unfortunate, the unfortunate thing that happens to a lot of people is they have a safe withdrawal rate. A lot of times 4% is what their advisors would tell them. But that's been debunked actually quite a few times. And they'll take that out and they're fine until there's a downturn. Then all of a sudden they got to take out 6% or 8% or 10%. That's a big problem if you don't want to run out of savings. And if that bear market lasts too long, that's going to be even a bigger problem because later on, you're going to have to continually keep your withdrawal rate higher because now you got a less balance to take from because you got less money that's working for you in the market. Anyways, that's a dilemma. And it's a dilemma that a lot of people face. And it gets to the point, I think, in our lives when we are done working, we're done with the growth phase, and now we want to activate income. And so that's why a lot of people reach out to me because they want annuity contracts, because they want pensions, they want income streams that they know will never run out, regardless of what the market does. So I'm going to show you a couple different options. There are annuities out there, and the ones that I sell that when people want lifetime income, we're looking at the highest lifetime income, and it's contractual, it's guaranteed for life. There are other ones out there where you can just get growth, and you can kind of strip off the earnings and interest depending on what the growth is, which is great too. They don't offer as much as far as income, and it's certainly not guaranteed for life. But there are options out there for both. So I'm going to show both of them to you right now, just so you see what is available to you. And then, of course, if you are interested and you want to chat, there is a link below this video, goes directly to my calendar, and then we can talk. Okay, bring your questions and I'll answer them. So anyways, or you can go to my website, johnstevenson.com, and you'll see that I have annuity calculators there, and you can find out for yourself which companies are offering the highest payouts. And it just depends on your situation, whether it's a single payout or a joint payout. Certain companies and certain timeframes work better for others. So anyways, I'm completely transparent. I think that's really, really important when you are helping people with these. You want to make sure that everything's available, that you can see everything from every carrier so that you can make the best decision for yourself. Okay, fair enough? All right, so let's dive in. I'm going to share my screen. As you can see, I just have a fictional couple here. They are married, and one of them's 56, the other one's 52. They're in California, and we're looking at $450,000. So $450,000, you think, all right, well, if I got $450,000, and let's say my safe withdrawal rate is 4%. Okay, well, 450,000 multiplied by 4%, that's $18,000 a year. Most of us can't live on $18,000 a year. Even if we got Social Security come in, we'd like to have a little bit more. And so what happens is they say, well, hopefully the market will deliver me more. Okay, maybe it'll give me 8 to 10%, and then I can strip off the interest there. You can do that, and that will work if the market's doing what it needs to be doing. The problem is if it's not, then you're going to have problems. All right, so I'm going to compare if you were to take 450 and let's say you put it into an annuity contract and you started income right now. Now this is young for a lot of people. A lot of people say, well, 56 and 52 is young, which it's that is right. And if you do take income, even from an annuity at this age, you're going to be hit with a 10% tax penalty from the IRS. So I would recommend not doing that, but people will do it anyways because they want lifetime income. Okay. All right. So if you're 56, 52 and you're a joint couple, obviously if you're single, the payout's going to be a little bit higher. But you can see Gillico, which is also known as a guaranteed income life, they're paying out $25,000. Well, that's more than the safe withdrawal rate. And that's guaranteed for life. So when you have the market downturn, it's not going to affect this at all. It is guaranteed for life. Okay. And seeing that these couples are pretty young and the spouse being 52 and if the spouse is a female, likelihood of living into the 90s is pretty high. So 40 years times 25,650, that's $1 million. So, and you live longer, you're absolutely going to take out more because it's for life. Okay. And that's with Gillico. Then you got North American and Allianz and Prudential, and there's so many options out there. So here's what I want to do is most people, when they purchase annuities, they're not looking to take income right now. They want to purchase it to have some guaranteed payouts later on. And if you've watched my videos, you know that waiting to take income for annuities will benefit you because you allow that annuity contract value to grow to a certain point where it gives you just so much more income for the same money. All right. So if maybe you got a 401k or an IRA just sitting on the sidelines, you want to transfer some of it or all of it into an annuity contract to use later on, then this is a good option. Okay. So if I were to say, all right, at 56, I'm putting 450, same 450, but let's say I want to wait till 62. Okay. 62 years old. My spouse is 58. We're going to take income for life because I'm going to take Social Security at 62. Let's say I want to take it as early as I can. I want to retire as early as I can. And I want to see what will 450 give me and my spouse, because spouse is 4 years younger, which for me and my wife, we're in the same boat. She is 4 years younger than me. So, and she's, the fact that she's a female and she's younger, the payout will be a little bit less because they're basing it off of her longevity, not on mine. Okay. All right. So 62 and 58, we're looking at 41,400. And you'll notice that Midland National is the highest for this. They're not the best for immediate like Gillico is, but they're definitely the best. As you can see, if we were to stretch this out for 6 years, they're beating everyone out. That's pretty good. Not to mention that they actually count birthdays instead of anniversary dates, which is pretty nice when people buy these annuity contracts even 6 months before their birthday, because Midland counts birthdays as anniversaries, not the 1 year anniversary from the issue date of your policy. You're turning on income like 6 months early. Pretty nice. All right. So, sometimes it makes sense. Sometimes it doesn't. I mean, sometimes they're not on the top. Just depends on the state, depends on how long you defer it. But in this case, Midland is the highest. Okay. So $41,000, 400. That's really good. So that's for life. So yeah, let me pull that up and we'll actually look at the details here. So, all right. So we got guarantees, we got hypothetical. I'm going to kind of go over both of these. The income's the same on either. So the income's contractual, it's guaranteed. So that's the reason why you buy it. So really nothing else matters on this, but I'm going to explain it anyways. Okay. So beginning contract value, you can see worst case scenario, if there is no interest earned, the S&P 500 does nothing. Well, the contract value is going to go down pretty quick. By the time you're 70, it's gone. But the income continues for life, and that's why you bought it. Okay. Now, that's pretty extreme, but they still have to show guaranteed versus hypothetical. So if you go down to hypothetical, same income stream, but now the balance lasts like 5 or 6 years longer. That's the only difference because they're showing if the index delivers these returns, then we're going to credit your account so much to the index, and based off of past performance, your account balance should last to your 75. Okay. And then you can see the death benefit over here on the right. That lasts just as long. Okay. So the money's still yours. You're just leveraging it for a pension, a lifetime pension for yourself. And if you were to happen to die too early, you and your spouse die too early, it's going to go to your estate. It'll go to your beneficiaries. Okay. The nice thing about this is they got a little LTC benefit. That's kind of nice. So enhanced lifetime withdrawal. A lot of annuities will offer this where they basically just kind of accelerate or liquidate your account faster, and they'll do it up to 5 years. Once the 5 years up, they won't do it anymore, and they'll revert back to 41,000. And the other thing you have to remember is they're only going to do it as long as there is an account balance in there. Okay, so just think of it as a liquidation benefit. They give you the money when you need it the most, but it doesn't last. It only lasts as long as the account balance. So by the time you're 75, there is no LTC benefit. So it's just a lifetime withdrawal, which is fine. That's the reason why you got it. But if you're looking for LTC, we can talk about that. There are different strategies for doing that. Okay. So that's guaranteed. We know what that's going to be, and it is contractual. So if the market goes down over the next 5, 6, 7 years, it doesn't matter. You put that 450 in, you know exactly what it's going to be. You put higher amounts, lower amounts, it'll obviously be different. And if you're single or if you're different age, it's all across the board. So again, if you want to chat kind of more specific for your situation, I'd recommend just booking a call. Again, there's a link below the video. There's also a link on my website, johnstevenson.com, where it allows you to book a call. Okay, so now you're thinking, well, you know what? Maybe I'm gonna take it at 62, but I want to have the ability, the flexibility to take income later. Okay, maybe I want to take income at age 65. I think I might retire at 62, but if I don't want to retire at that age, maybe you want to wait till Medicare kicks in, then maybe you'll wait till 65. Okay, well, let's see what that looks like. And you can see Midland and Delaware are like neck and neck here. So again, you stick with Midland. Okay, you've got Midland, and the payout now is $55,000. Wow, that's a huge change, right? So, and it's just because you waited like 3 more years. So let me pull that one up, and I'll show you here. Here's the, really this is what matters, the lifetime withdrawal rate. You see this? You notice how this is a lot higher than 4%? There is no 4% safe withdrawal rule for annuities because it's a pension. That's what it is. So it's designed to, your account's going to liquidate at some point. It's designed for income, not legacy. So there are annuities for legacy. This one is not it. It's for income. It's for pension. All right. So if you look at that, the income comes out 55,000. So if you take that out till 95, you take it out like 1.7 million. If you take it out longer, then you take out more. But again, the account balance only lasts year like 76, 77. So it's not there for legacy. It's there if you die early, it definitely goes to your beneficiaries. But you can see the payout's pretty substantial. That's pretty nice. And it's because the lifetime withdrawal rate is a 12.24. Okay, 12.24 multiplied by 450, that's huge. And of course, there's no person that would probably do that out of their regular account unless they're planning on depleting it. Because most of us, when we do that, even when the market's doing well, we're gonna have a few bad years or a few bumpy, rocky periods, or even a bear market where that's gonna, if we still want the same income, we're gonna have to raise that to like 15 and 20 and then 30%, and then our money's gone. Okay, so that's not usually the best or wisest choice to make when you're looking for lifetime income. All right, so I told you I was going to show you some options that don't give you lifetime income, but will give you the option to take income based off of growth, okay? So let me show that to you real quick. Go in here, and I'm going to go to, I mean, there's thousands of these, okay? I mean, that's why if you're working with someone who is trying to sell you an annuity, work with someone who does it all day long and who only works with annuities, okay? Because there's so much to know. All right, so you can see there's like 2,800 just on this page. All right, so if we go over here and I'll say, all right, I happen to know one of these companies. There's a few that I know that actually do decent returns over the long term with the S&P 500, which I would recommend. If you're going to do it with the S&P 500. Otherwise, you're gonna regret it because you're gonna put it into an index that was just created and has back testing, but not real world experience in the market. So it doesn't work as well. All right, so now I'm gonna go down and say, well, I want it to be at least the S&P 500. So we got that, and then I want the index. I want credits, to my account value. I want that at least once a year. Okay. And I always recommend this when you are looking at indexes. You could do a 2 or 3 or 4 year strategy. But you have to remember that if you are, if you have a 3-year market where it goes really, really hard up, and then you have a down year, just one down year wipes away all of your growth, then at the end of that 3-year or 4-year or 5-year period, and if you don't have very much growth, you're going to be upset. In my opinion, it's better to have, growth and compounding, over like 1, 2, 3 year. And then if the 4th year is bad, well, you don't lose any money, but you don't make any, but at least you didn't miss out on the first few years. Okay. So anyways, that's what I would recommend if you're looking for index growth. Okay. All right. So this Delaware Life is known to be very good, and Delaware has a high renewal rate with these indexes, which is really, really important when you're looking at just growth strategies. Okay. We're not looking at guaranteed income. We're looking at growth. You can take income from this, and we're going to talk about how that would work. Okay, and they're giving you 60% of the S&P 500, which is not bad because there are years where the market goes down, they cannot exercise their call options, and they lose money, and so they have to limit the amount that they give you, and that's the cost of safety. Okay, you can see on the guaranteed side, worst case scenario is there's no growth in the S&P index, but what's nice about this, after 10 years, they bump it up like $100,000 just because you left the money there. Let's look at the actuals. So you see growth, it's pretty decent, okay? Pretty decent growth. All right, so if I look at that and say, all right, well, I want to take income, and I want to take, I don't know. Let's see here. We'll go in here and we'll say, let's say $41,000 per year. Okay, $41,000, and I want to start that at age 62. Okay, so we'll just kind of do a straight comparison to the guaranteed side. Now, again, this is hypothetical. It might perform well, but it's all based off of if the S&P 500 continues to do and give us the growth that we want. And that's hypothetical. So that's what you have to look at. Okay, so guaranteed side, obviously if the S&P does nothing, you can see the account balance running out, which is we already understand that. Then if we go over here, we look at this and say, well, actually, you know what? As long as the index earns these numbers, that 41,000 is going to work out. Okay. So you have to just decide if you're willing to take that risk. I can sell you both. But in my opinion, if you're looking for guarantees, it is much better to put yourself in a guaranteed contract of income. And then if you want to do some growth strategies, we can set those up. There are great annuities for growth and market protection, but they're not necessarily set up for income. People can take withdrawals from them, and they do for income, but you also have to realize it is not guaranteed. It is not for life. And it's really based off the account balance and what earnings you've been receiving. And so you kind of decide from year to year what you want to take out. So anyways, I could sell you both, and I do. But most people, when they reach out, they're looking for guaranteed pension income. They want to make sure it does not run out. They don't want to have to worry about checking their account every year and hoping that the market gave them what they wanted. Okay, because if it doesn't, then you have to change what you're going to take that year. And so a lot of people do not want to do that. All right, so if you want to book a call, again, there's a link below this video. There's a link on my website, johnstevenson.com. You can check out my annuity calculators there as well. And I'm happy to help you. Okay, if you are looking for an annuity, I'd love to help you. That's, of course, how I make my money. I'm paid commissions by the insurance company, not by you. But at the same time, if you just got questions, go ahead and reach out and send your questions over. I'd be happy to answer them. So anyways, no one likes to be sold. And I think that's important. If you're looking, you want some unbiased advice about what's available, and then you can kind of decide for yourself if it's the best thing for you. Okay. So hope that helps. I appreciate you watching. If you like it, make sure you click the like button and subscribe and share it. So thanks a lot. We'll see you next time.